let's talk about pain. Let's talk about why you don't wake up in the morning full of energy and full of life. I think it might be, and I'm assuming here because I haven't spoken to you, that maybe it's because you have a dream. You have something you'd love to be doing it, and you're not doing it. For some reason, something is blocking you, and you're not doing it. Maybe it's because you're like a crocodile. Yeah. Okay, you know crocodiles, they got little tiny ears and great big mouths. And every time somebody tries to help you, maybe you don't hear anything and you just talk about why it isn't going to work. You might just try using those little tiny ears and just maybe you'll get a benefit. Another reason it might be pain is because you might have heard of the law of attraction. And everybody thinks, oh, the law of attraction, I can attract whatever I want to me. But I've got some magnets here. So you know how magnets work. What I'm going to tell you is maybe you're here and way down here is the pain. It's your past, it's your paradigms, which are causing you fear and limiting beliefs and doubt. And maybe you can pull those up, or maybe pull them way away, or turn them the other way so they're negatively charged and they don't affect you anymore. But the law of attraction is what you focus on. Pay attention to what you're paying attention to, and that will solve a lot of your pain.